Welcome, this is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question number 83. And to this question, the instruction here says fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options, and this instruction is applicable to question number 71 to 100. And the statement here says on the day of the trial the dash read out the charges and Johanna pleaded guilty. On the day of the trial, the dash read out the charges and Johanna pleaded guilty. Option A, clerk. Option B, client. Option C, judge. Option D, lawyer. Option E, prosecutor. When we talk of a clerk of a court, the primary function of a clerk of a court is to read files. They erase files by their numbers, that is calling out files. Then client is not a client because client has to do with customer. Then judge is the person who take final decision in the court, while lawyer is a solicitor in a court of law. Prosecutor means the person that want to prosecute. So the person who reads out charges is the judge. So it's the judge that read out charges. Okay, finding shows that on so day, by so time, in so month, at so occasion, you are found with so and so. So that is the duty of a judge. But the duty of a clerk is to call files. So on the day of the trial, the judge read out the charges and Johanna pleaded guilty. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.